In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how we can generate dynamic emails with Floe. Here I run a custom trigger program with which I select some vendor master records and attempt to send an email. I'm selecting everything for a particular company code. And I can see that a number of emails have been sent, in this case to me. When I look at the emails, the content differs depending upon data in the master records. Parts of the email are either included or excluded based on some simple business logic. Here we can see paragraphs are added, or the section at the top, the header section, changes color, has a different logo inside it. You can transform all your SAP communication with Floe.